Hello everybody. So today I'm just gonna show you how to just solve this issue. So here while I'm using Firebase, right? So let me just get back. So if I go on details, right? So here we have the phone number verification. So this is just the demo. So here if I just type my uh, phone number, right? Then if I just do send code, so it will tell me to verify the captcha. So if I just do uh, we have blocked all the requests from this device due to unusual, try again later. So if I just, so I was trying that too often, and if I just do send code, right? So here so I guess I need to wait for a bit. So it just gives me like the, so if I, so here you will find the error host name not match or something like that. So for this to solve, you have to go on the Firebase here in authentication. So just give your phone number. So if we should enable the phone number, let me just show you at first. So it would be like this. So you would get for the 10 time only. So so here we have the phone number for testing purpose. So if we just do add over here, so add like this, then we can type our own uh, verification code and just to add it. So let me just get down. So we can do I'm robot, then we can do send the code, then we have the verification code, and so if we just look at the verification code like this, and we can just do verified code. Now the code has been verified because we can see on the inspect, right? And we have at the console log. So here would be our number, and here our cookies. So after getting authentication, because I have written console dot, so the number, or if the first of all it has initialized this session, then we got this. So thank you guys.